Hey guys, so I don't think my video posted with me doing the talk over about what bone powder is for. So this is bone powder. You can use it for hexes, you can use it for working with spirits and doing death work, such as necromancy. You can use shells, you can use bone. You can also use eggshells to make this powder. And you can add anything else to it that can help enhance its properties. You can also use it for protection, especially if you use specific bones. On a side note, my cat wants to get into the video as well, huh, Coda? Anyways, if you do make this, be sure to be careful to not breathe it in if you make it into a more finer powder. This one is a bit chunky, so yeah, if you breathe it in, it can be bad for you. So stay safe.
That's good.